Ocean Landing Mastery, China's high-tech rocket recovery ship. China has just unveiled Xingji Guihang, a massive high-tech vessel built to catch rockets landing at sea, making it only the second nation on Earth with this capability. Paired with iSpace's upcoming SQX-3 rocket, it's designed to slash launch costs, boost mission frequency, and reshape how satellites reach orbit. The Xingji Guihang, also known as Interstellar Return, is not just another marine vessel, it's an engineering platform purpose-built for rocket recovery at sea. Measuring approximately 100 meters in length and 42 meters in width, its 40-60-meter recovery deck is large enough to safely support the vertical landing of a returning first-stage rocket. This design ensures stability and enough clearance for complex maritime recovery operations. With a displacement of 17,000 tons, the ship is equipped with a DP-2 dynamic positioning system, enabling it to maintain pinpoint accuracy in sea state 4 conditions, where wave heights range between 1.25 and 2.5 meters and winds reach 11-16 knots. It can even navigate steadily in sea state 5, handling 2.54-meter waves with wind speeds of 17-21 knots. These capabilities mean the vessel can operate in varied offshore environments, expanding launch and recovery location options. One of its standout features is Intelligent Unmanned Operation Mode. This allows for remote control and automation during recovery missions, minimizing the need for crew exposure in potentially hazardous conditions. The ship also includes a specialized storage compartment designed to transport delicate rocket components safely back to port, maintaining the integrity of hardware intended for reuse. Following its launch, Xingji Guihang will undergo outfitting, integrated mechanical and electrical system testing, performance trials, and sea exercises. It is scheduled to arrive in Hainan province in September for large-scale maritime drills in preparation for actual rocket recovery missions. The SQX-3, developed by Beijing-based iSpace, is the next-generation large, reusable launch vehicle designed to integrate seamlessly with Xingji Guihang's maritime recovery capability. With a maximum payload capacity of 14 tons to low Earth orbit in reusable mode, it's built for high-demand, high-frequency launch cycles. This rocket will employ a orbit entrance plus maritime recovery strategy, meaning it will first deliver its payload into orbit, then guide its first stage back down to land on the recovery ship at sea. According to iSpace, the first such test flight is planned for late 2025, followed by a reuse test in 2026. The approach allows for flexibility in recovery zones, avoiding the constraints of fixed land pads, and increasing the number of possible launch trajectories. iSpace has already begun producing 3 Hyperbola 3 rockets for this program, with development covering assembly, testing, launch recovery, and reuse systems. The design draws on the company's earlier testing of the Hyperbola 2Y demonstrator, which used a Methalox-powered vertical takeoff and landing system. Lessons learned from those flights have been integrated into SQX-3, ensuring improved efficiency, reusability, and flight safety. The long-term goal is to use SQX-3 for deploying China's planned low-Earth orbit broadband internet constellation, a large-scale network designed to rival systems like SpaceX's Starlink. This requires multiple launches annually, making reusable rockets the economically viable choice. The deployment of Xingji Guihang and the upcoming SQX-3 program represents more than just a technological milestone. It's a strategic move that positions China among the global leaders in reusable rocket capability. With this ship, China becomes only the second nation after the United States to operate a dedicated maritime recovery vessel for rockets, placing it in an elite technological category. From a commercial standpoint, this capability opens the door for lower launch costs and higher launch frequency. For private space firms like iSpace, this means competitive pricing in the global market for satellite deployment and space-based services. By recovering boosters at sea, the company gains more launch trajectory flexibility, enabling missions to a broader range of orbits without the limitations of fixed land-based pads. The ability to reuse rocket stages has already been proven to cut costs dramatically, as seen in other nations' programs. For China, achieving similar or improved efficiencies could shift the economics of launching everything from broadband satellites to deep space science probes. This could directly benefit astronomy and Earth science, allowing more frequent and affordable payload launches. On a broader scale, the introduction of maritime recovery aligns with China's long-term strategic goals for space, including expanding its low Earth orbit infrastructure, supporting international partnerships, and enhancing its commercial space industry. With the SQX-3 aimed at servicing a large-scale internet constellation, The move also has implications for global communications competition. Xingji Guihang isn't just a ship, it's a floating launch pad for a new era of space access. When it teams up with the SQX-3 rocket in late 2025, we could see boosters touching down at sea and flying again within months. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates on space exploration and scientific discoveries. And don't forget to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.